Gulfport, Indiana, home of Dennis Nelson and family. Producers of the biggest demolition derby shows in the country.
Are you ready for some demolition derby action?
This is the Family Crashers.
What the f*** you guys doing out here?
You're not listening to me. Zip it.
I can run this f***ing derby by myself.
Guys ready to be inspected? Get it up there.
I'll be fair, but if they piss me off, I'll let them know it. I don't take no shit from no drivers.
Called a Demolition Derby. That's what we do. We destroy things.
This isn't your typical small-town hillbilly business. This is a lucrative multi-million-dollar operation that runs demolition derbies throughout the Midwest of the USA.
Hands down, I'm the leader. I'm in charge. The demolition derby today is the demolition derby first. There's nothing else going on matters, and it's going to be extreme. I can't stress that enough. We do 25 demolition derbies in 5 states. This isn't just a bunch of hillbillies out having a good time. This is about people having fun, putting on the show. They are the entertainment.
Local heroes to Nelson family.
The problem today is stress. Nick, have you seen Junior?
No.
Where the hell's he at? First problem of the day, I can't find Junior, my son. I'm just tired of him expecting everybody else to wait for him.
Then call him and tell him.
My name's Dennis Jr. Everybody calls me Junior.
Dennis! Junior's here! Quite frankly, these guys drive me crazy.
You're supposed to be here at 10:30. It's 11:15.
Well, we had some trouble with the car. I can't help the car.
Most of the time, when you work with your family, it's great. But when it gets ugly, it gets ugly.
You want to drive cars? You want to promote a demolition derby?
I want to do both.
Your one car ain't gonna make or break the show. This is a family-run business. It ain't about me, it ain't about you. It's about all of us.
Right off the bat today, we already had some issues with some drivers getting attitudes.
You guys have been letting me race it all year long like that.
Yeah, but we always have you back it off every year.
You either cut it or load it.
Don't bother me none. Truck will win no matter what.
We didn't want to start the day this way, but sometimes it happens like that.
As I expected, some drivers are causing trouble.
Grit your teeth, you'll be fine.
The frame's rotted. Am I supposed to believe everybody that comes through the line?
25% of the drivers cheat from the word go.
Well, it was when I bought it.
I don't know, man.
Oh, they found a little extra plate in the car that's not stock. I put it in there, but they busted me out on it.
This is our event, and they're going to do it our way.
3, 2, 1! All right, we got green. Who's gonna be?
The drivers come to the derbies for different reasons.
So why are you here today?
Basically, I'm from Los Angeles and I have no money to get home. I need to get back to Los Angeles. Get me out of Indiana. So why are you racing here tonight?
Oh, make a little bit of extra money. Yeah, I've been out of work since Christmas Eve. And we do this for a second income.
Well, I'm running this truck for my dad. He passed away of lung cancer. And it would mean a world to me if I went out there.
A lot of the times the drivers get angry.
You guys hit each other, Amy.
Yeah, I know.
You should have won that shit.
Complaining, drama, crying.
And when they get angry, they want to talk to Dennis.
0 people passed me, and now they're claiming me second again.
And I think sometimes they come just to be an asshole.
Including the owners of rival companies.
I'm here for the drivers. They're here to pad their pockets.
If he's not going to give us respect, we'll just toss him, tell him to go somewhere else.
Listen, I don't come to any of your shows and talk shit, all right?
Things are getting crazy around here, and I'm about to blow my stack.
They said the bumpers were cheated.
Exactly. Let me tell you something. If I got drivers that are bitching and moaning and groaning about a car, I'm going to send more than one inspector over there, and he's going to take a look at it. It's the way we run things at this kind of derby. I don't care.
I got no issues with
Listen,
it.
hey, then let's just zip it about the bumper.
It gets very intense.
We got a show to run.
Go. It's fine. You don't need me. It's too bad. It's the officials make the final decision, and it is what it is.
It's their race and their rules, and I really don't agree with it.
I feel that most of the drivers have enough respect that they listen to me and they let me steam at them, and then they're good.
I took 4th, they take top 3. But unfortunately, somebody caught me in an axle, it broke. I got hung up and I ran out of time.
I did good. I got second, caught on fire. I feel real good. My dad will be proud of me, and I'm proud of how I did.
I won. I'm so excited. I can go home now. Yeah!
We're down to the real end. Who's going to win? Who's going to lose? Everybody gets excited. Adrenaline runs. It's not perfect, but we work very hard to keep things equal. Here we are again, another Demolition Derby taken care of. And dinner is important because it gives us an opportunity to talk about what happened today. Hands down, all you guys done a fine job.
We get it all out on the table.
And I'm very proud of all of you. And that's the kind of thing that makes us as a family and makes this Demolition Derby have 72 cars. Without you guys, I couldn't make it happen. I can't do it by myself.
Cheers. Thank you, sir.
Ultimately, everybody's happy in the end.
This Demolition Derby business has its ups and downs. But all in all, the Demolition Derby is a great thing, and it's been a wonderful experience for our family.